Continuing in Unit 3, absolute value functions, our syllabus, we're on Lesson 6c, the vertex with the end behavior. So let's check that off our booklet. And here we are at Lesson 6c, the vertex with the end behavior. Let's take a look at this right here. End behavior, remember, is how the graph behaves at the ends. We should recall that from Unit 1. All right, so let's graph this absolute value function. Let's take a couple looks at the characteristics here that we've already gone over in previous lessons. We have a vertical reflection because we have a negative in front of the absolute value expression. And then we also have a vertical shift of up 1 because on the outside of the absolute value expression, we have a positive 1. So to graph this, I'm going to go up 1, drop my dot. And remember, I'm reflected, so I'm going to be going the other way. I'm going to be upside down. Get the 3 points each way. And we can sketch in our graph here. Perfect. So now I can look at this graph, and I want to find the vertex. And I can say, well, my vertex is where the graph is creating a maximum or a minimum. Well, right here's my maximum. So that's my vertex, and that is at 0, 1. And now that I know my vertex, and I look at this, and I have a reflection as x approaches infinity, which means as x is getting bigger, my y values are going down. You can see that on the graph, on the function here. Right here, it's going that way. So my y values are approaching negative infinity. And then over here, we can look and we can see as x is approaching negative infinity or getting smaller, our y values are also getting smaller. So here at this end, as x is going to the left, y is still going down, so that's also negative infinity. So our end behavior on this graph is as x approaches infinity, y approaches negative infinity, and as x approaches negative infinity, y also approaches negative infinity.